Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on new phone for Poco C65. Okay guys, so the first way you can click next and you can choose the language, and I will choose English and then click next, and this you can choose your region, and this is I will choose United States. And then here you have to agree all the terms and condition, and you can next. And then here you can insert your SIM card, but I will skip this one. And then here you have to connect to network, and I will connect to my Wi-Fi and then click connect. And after that you can click next again. And so yeah, you can wait for a second until the loading is done. And here I will not copy my data because this is my new phone. And then you can wait more, and after that you can choose either sign in your Google, but I will skip this one. And after that you can click more and agree all of terms and condition. You can set a screen lock, but I will skip this one. And this is the additional apps. I will click OK, and we can click next again for this information, and we can wait for preparing system for your phone. And when the setup is complete, you can click next. And so yeah, here's the preview of my new phone of Poco C65 guys. So yeah, it's easy, right? And yeah, here's the tutorial on how to turn on new phone on Poco C65. And thank you so much for watching guys.